Here's our top 6 tweaks to customise Magic Zoom to suit your website, from CSS adjustments to showing entire images on hover. The zoom area defaults to 300 pixels. You can change this by copying the rel attribute zoom width, zoom height from the Magic Zoom integration page. I'm going to change it to 400 pixels. Paste the rel attribute after the class Magic Zoom code in Dreamweaver. I'm using Dreamweaver MX for this example. You can see the zoom size has now increased. Another tweak is to swap between images. This is a good choice if you're using product pages, as you can display all the colour options for a product. Copy the full code shown on the integration page and paste it into your file. The big reference is your zoom image, the small reference is the main image on the page, and the tiny reference is the thumbnail image. You'll need to add your own HTML code depending how you want the images to display on your page. As you can see from the preview, this works well. We're going to change the colours for the hint text, hover area, zoom border and the border shadow using the CSS file, which you can find in the Magic Zoom folder you uploaded to your server during installation. The .magic zoom hint controls the hint image and text. .magic zoom big image cont controls the zoom border. .magic zoom pop controls the hover area, and .magic box shadow controls the zoom shadow. Remember to save your changes before previewing. You can see here everything is now red. Showing the entire image is great for product listing pages, as your customers can stay on one page and still see all your products in detail. Copy all the code shown on the integration page. You'll notice we're using rel attribute entire image. Paste the code into your file and enter your big image references and your small image references. I've added breaks to each line just so my images will display vertically. You can see in the preview how great it looks just using 3 images. Imagine a whole page of products. That would look fantastic. The zoom area default is set to be external. You can easily change this to be internal by copying the rel attribute zoom position and set the position to inner. Go to your HTML file and paste this new code after the class Magic Zoom code. You can see in your preview it's a simple change but very effective. The last set of tweaks are all to do with the hint which displays on your image. You can remove the hint completely by adding the rel attribute hint and set it to false. Copy the code from the integration page and paste it into your HTML file after the class Magic Zoom code. If we now preview the change, you can see the hint has completely gone. To add any text you want as your hint, enter the rel attribute hint text. Go to the Magic Zoom integration page and copy the code you need from here. Paste it into your HTML file after the class Magic Zoom code and simply add the hint text you want to show on your image. I've used any text you want for this example. If you've added text to your hint but decide you only want the magnifying glass, you can remove the text by using the rel attribute hint text again, only this time use a semicolon instead of entering text. Go to the integration page and copy the rel attribute hint text code and paste it into your file after the class Magic Zoom code. I already have this code in my file, so I'm just replacing the text section with a semicolon. In the preview you can see the text is now gone. The default hint icon is a magnifying glass. This can be changed to any image you want. You can add the code shown on the integration page directly to your HTML file if you only want one page to be changed. If you want the whole website to show your new hint image, you'll need to make the change in the CSS file. Go to .magic zoom hint and change the word hint in the background option to the name of your GIF image. Remember to save your changes. We've come to the last tweak, and this one is to change the position of the hint. Go to the integration page, and for this example we're going to change the hint position from bottom right BR to top center TC. Each position has been abbreviated, so top right is TR, bottom left is BL, and so on. Copy the rel attribute hint position and paste it into your HTML file after the class Magic Zoom code. Then simply change BR to TC. You can see in the preview the hint has now moved to the top of the image. And that brings us to the end of our top 6 tweaks. I hope you like them. For more ideas on how to customise your website, go to the Magic Zoom integration page. Thanks for watching.